Welcome. If you're looking to prevent direct messages from members of a specific Discord server, you're in the right place. Whether you want to avoid spam, unwanted messages, or just keep your privacy intact, Discord makes it easy to take control of your DMs. Here's how you can do it step by step, all updated for 2025. First, open up the Discord app on your device. This works on both desktop and mobile, so just launch Discord and make sure you're logged in. Next, head over to the server where you want to block direct messages. You'll see all your servers listed on the left side if you're on desktop, or along the side or bottom if you're on mobile. Tap or click on the server icon to enter. Once you're inside the server, look up at the top of the screen for the server's name. Tap or click on the server name to open a drop-down menu. This menu gives you several options related to the server, but what you're looking for is the privacy settings. Scroll down until you find the option labeled Allow Direct Messages or Allow Direct Messages from Server Members. There will be a toggle switch next to it. By default, this is turned on, which means anyone in the server can send you a DM, even if they're not on your friends list. To prevent DMS from this server, simply toggle this switch off. Once you do, you'll stop receiving direct messages from anyone in that particular server unless they're already your friend. This setting is specific to the server you selected, so you can repeat these steps for any other servers where you want to limit DMs. And that's all there is to it. With just a few taps, you've taken control of your privacy and can enjoy your Discord experience without unwanted messages from that server. If you ever change your mind, just follow the same steps and toggle the setting back on. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your time on Discord with more peace of mind.